What up, guys? It's your boy Jessie, and today it's not a prank, alright? We're not pranking Whitney today. Today we actually want to rate Whitney's outfits. She got a whole lot of new outfits offline. I'm pretty sure it's her way of getting outfits. So, you know, and this is her excuse. So let's do some rating outfits. So that's just her way to get more outfits, y'all. So we're gonna rate these outfits, see how we feel about them. Let her know good or bad, happy or sad. We babysitting. My little nephew is in with us. Stacy's also going to be helping us rate. Say what up, y'all. Say what up. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and have good luck for the rest of the year. Let's get to the video. Do it like this. Yeah, bro. Good job. High five. Have an outfit change. Wait, outfit number 1. Let's see what she got, y'all. Baby, come in looking good. Okay, girl. Okay.
Yep. Everybody gotta have that little black dress. Okay.
Where you going, girl?
Out.
Oh, snap.
I like this dress. It's like, it's simple, but it's cute.
Yeah, see-through too.
Yeah, it's a little see-through, just like at the bottoms and at the sleeves. But yeah, I like this dress. I like it.
I like it too, but the only thing I don't like about it, I'm gonna tell you that right now.
What?
The only thing I don't like about it is the height. And now you're too close to my height. You know what I'm saying?
That's not a
Right
bad
there.
thing.
That's it.
You don't have to go like this no more to
Too
kiss.
close to my height.
What y'all think?
Look
Let
good
the
though.
girl know.
It look good though, you know.
Ooh, I gotta tuck my
with
little
the gold,
stomach here.
the little gold chains on the purse and everything.
And on my shoes. Yeah. Details. Of course, you know, you gotta dress it up with some accessories. I didn't have time to do that, so.
With the ashy knees. I'm joking. Yeah, they look good though, babe. Hey, actually, yeah, I like those.
What you think, Aiden?
What you think, buddy? Think she look good? What you think? Well, I guess that's his opinion. Alright,
Yes.
let's get the next one. Outfit number 2. Let's see what we got. You watching? Yeah, man. Let's see what she got. Oh, snap, girl. Oh, girl.
I like this. This is a cute outfit. The only thing is, if I'm gonna wear some thigh-high boots with this, because these are like a velvet thigh-high, I would probably get leather since the skirt is leather. But I just like this. I think this is cute.
Yeah, that's completely different.
Yep.
What is that, newspaper shirt, see-through?
Yep. It's a see-through newspaper shirt
And
with
then
the
a leather.
little accessories on the side, little things.
Yep, the leather skirt. And then some really long boots, thigh-high boots.
Thigh-high boots. Yep. Girl feeling cute.
Okay, girl.
Now this is a date night outfit, okay? We finna be going out in one of these outfits. I think this one is a date night outfit. What y'all think? It's really cute. You know, a little sexy, showing a little thighs. I'm trying to pull it down because I don't want him to get no ideas. But I think it's cute.
Okay, yeah, they do look good though. Hey, then what you think, buddy?
You like
What
it?
you think? Think she look good? He said go back and change.
He said
Go change.
Alright, I'll change, baby.
That's right, Aiden. You tell her. Alright. Outfit number 3. You ready, buddy? Let's see what she got. Okay. So you finna go have brunch with the ladies. Hey.
I popped out the wedges. I know y'all. Look, most of the outfits.
Wedges right now.
I don't know. It's something about black. It's slimming. It's safe. Like everybody know they gotta have a black outfit. So unfortunately, my closet is full of black.
That's sexy though.
But
look
I
real
like
good.
it. What y'all think?
That look real good, babe.
And I popped out the wedges. You don't always have to wear stilettos. You can go wedges sometimes. Yep.
Like the belt too.
And the belt. And look, I like the sleeves. That's what I like about it the most. It's like the sleeves and stuff. That's cute. And I got the purse again.
Yeah.
Stomach looking snatched.
Like, yeah.
It's like a see-through sheer. It's like a yeah.
Only the arms though, so that's cool.
Arms, yep.
Yeah, that look good.
And of
That
course,
look
you know,
good, girl.
accessorize, make it cute. Okay.
See.
Let me walk home.
Okay, girl.
Be
Got
back.
some cheeks back there. All right, guys. So far, all been 10s. All right, let's see outfit number 4. Oh snap. Okay.
I like the
Alright.
sleeves on this too. It's like the other sleeve. I don't know. I kind of feel cute in this. Like
Yeah.
cute.
What you
What's
think?
wrong? You want something? Go get it. Go get it.
You're no help, buddy. Alright.
What y'all think? Cute?
Oh yeah, I
or
like
no?
that. Make your waist look real tiny. And your
Yep.
hips look wide.
And bam!
Mm-hmm. I don't let donkey your trunk.
Shoot, I feel cute. What y'all think?
Hey, that look good though. That look good. What would you
Do
wear
I
this
look
to?
cute?
What would you wear this to though?
I don't know. Probably. Maybe a wedding? No.
Almost look
Something
like.
family oriented, maybe. Cause it give the flowers on this give me like family time vibe, like a fun kind of vibe, like not really going out like a date night thing, but
Okay.
I don't know.
Cool.
Give me some kind of family gathering vibe. What you think?
I don't know. Maybe you can wear it to. It look more like secretary-ish. Close.
Secretary?
Close. Secretary-ish. I don't
So
know.
you would have me wear this to a secretary job?
Kinda.
Huh. Okay.
Or like a sexy teacher.
Alright then. Say no more. Say
That looks
no
good though. It looks good
more.
though.
It look cute.
All right. Let's see it. Outfit number 5.
This
What you got?
is more of a dressed down outfit. It's a little bright, but I like it. I think it's cute. Like
Yeah, that look good. That's like yelling.
it's orange. It's like really bright. It's like that construction vest.
Yeah, it is. Hey, that's
Oh.
sexy though.
I like
that.
it. Yep.
That's
Yep.
yeah. That look
cute.
good though.
You can wear this
Okay,
with some
okay.
like some Converse sneakers or some slides if you want. Like you can
Give us one spin around. Boom. Okay. Looking like a college girl.
What you think about this? This is more like an everyday, like kind of dressed down situation. This not like a going out.
Like a Girl Scout.
A Girl Scout.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, what you think though?
I like it. It look
Like
good
it?
though.
It's
I like
bright,
it.
ain't it?
It's sexy. That's sexy. I like that. Yeah. So I'm messing with a high schooler.
You might not want to say that.
Oh, you okay? Like
What
we
you
back in
think?
high school again.
Like we back in high school
There you
again.
go. What you think, Aiden? What you think? You like that? She look good? That look good?
He busy sucking on that bottle. Is it good?
He said you need some milk.
You don't want it? So good.
Why you give us that stank face?
He like, I don't like it.
You like this? Like, wow. All right, y'all. So far, these outfits been bomb. Hey, can't even lie. These outfits look good. We on our last one, number 6. All right, let's check it out and see. She better not mess it up because she been looking fine in the mug so far. So she better keep it up. Last outfit. Let's see it. What you think, buddy? Uh-oh. Oh, suck it now. Mm-hmm.
Bam!
Hey, that's sexy right there.
Thank
now
you.
that's sexy right there.
It's
10
simple.
out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Hey, you ain't going nowhere in public with that. We going somewhere, we got to rent out the whole spot. Hey, that's nice right there.
It's cute though. I like it. A hug.
She look good?
Hug. He's scared of the heels. Can I get a
He
hug?
tired.
Oh,
He
poor
tired.
baby.
He want to go back to sleep.
You hungry? Get it. Go get it.
All right, babe. Back to it.
All right,
But yeah,
y'all.
so where you getting these clothes from? Does that matter or anything? Just get them offline or what?
It's different websites. It's not no one website. I got some from Fashion Nova. Everybody know Fashion Nova. I got some from Windsor. They are really good, guys. They got really cute stuff. And it was this other place I got some items from, but I don't remember right now.
That's cool.
But
it's cool. We're not getting sponsored by none of these people, but these outfits do look good. So
yep.
Yeah, she's letting y'all know where she's getting them from, in case y'all want to get some. So.
Yep. I feel cute. I want to go out now.
Hey, you look good though.
Can we go out?
Oh man, you gotta take them heels off.
I don't want to. I like wearing heels. You know I was tall when you met me, so quit.
Hey, you just added like 3 inches onto your height with those heels.
These not even 3-inch heels. You're probably right. They probably 3 inches.
They look good though, babe.
Thank
you. Fly, girl. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. We appreciate the love and support. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and that share button. Alright, if your notifications not on, cut the notifications on. In the comments, let us know which fit was your favorite fit and which fit you think is the baddest fit. If you're a female, would you wear it? Yeah, no. So let us know. Alright y'all, until next time.